Welcome to the hydraulics lab. My name is Dr. Muhammad Yassin, and I'm in charge of the hydraulics and the fluid mechanics lab. Let me introduce the rest of the team. This is Engineer May. She is the lab engineer for this lab, and this is Mr. Khalid. Also, he is a technician in the lab, and he's in charge with the rest of the technicians. So here, the moment we get in, okay, the first thing is the safety procedure and the safety measures. We have a couple of safety manuals here at the door, okay, in terms of all the procedures. Also, they can scan it by barcode to read this online. We have, this is a fire emergency instruction, okay, all the steps, and that's the fire exit, emergency fire exit over there. Okay, in addition to that, we have here, this is the safety first aid kit, okay, with all the items in it. To get started on the instruments, I will quickly go over all the instruments that we have in this lab. This is first here, this is a water hammer instrument. It creates water hammer, okay, in terms of observation and also measurement for the students, okay, to see how it behaves. This is here, we use this for pipe experiments, okay, arrangement of pipes in parallel or in series, and they can take also measurements in it. Here, this is more of fluid mechanics. They use it in the fluid mechanics lab. This is orifice and jet apparatus. Okay, it creates basically a jet or an orifice, and you measure the profile. Okay, after this is kind of old, but this is how it actually works. This is head losses in bends, and also we can use it for frictions. Okay, in terms of measuring pressure between two different points. Okay. Again, here, this is a Bernoulli experiment. Primarily, we gauge in it principle of continuity and all aspects of the Bernoulli equation. Okay, this has been sitting here. This is primarily for the soil people. Okay, but again, this is sediment transport demonstration channel. We don't really use this, but it's for the soil people. The same here, this is soil, drainage and seepage tank, okay, or groundwater, okay, observational for groundwater analysis. This is also for drainage for the soil people here for most of these. This is for fluid. This is for fluid mechanics. This is used for measuring buoyancy parameters and floating and on all these things. Okay. In this instrument, students actually recreate Reynolds experiment, turbulent and laminar flows and measurements, okay, of the Osborne-Reynolds apparatus. Okay, again, some random things here and there. Okay, and in terms of this is a pump experiment. Okay, again, these are 3 pumps or 3 sets of experiments. Students can connect and observe pumps in parallel. How do they operate pumps in parallel arrangement versus in series arrangement? Okay, this is universal pump test 3. That's the one. Finally, this is the open channel experiment. As you can see, it's quite huge. Okay, water is pumped, and we create basically all types of open channel experiments here. We have a weir. We have a weir installed here. Also, you can lift or install different shapes and sizes of weirs. You can control flow rate, and also you can create a hydraulic jump in it. Okay, so pretty much that's towards the end of it. This is the whole hydraulic slab, and a pleasure to have you here. Thank you very much.